Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a part 2, and the first one I'm going to be drawing is Megan's Creative World. Link in the description again to our channel. She makes amazing videos. But this video I might post this video late because basically I was going to start, but then I just could not be bothered, so I just read fan fiction, which is actually like unhealthy, but we're not going to talk about it. So yeah, I haven't posted a video in 4 days. 4 days? Yeah, so that's why. And I literally have only done the first one, so it's not going good. Anyway. Oh yeah. I hope that the new intro. If you don't like it, then you can unsubscribe. Goodbye. Let's stop talking. What music should I play though? I might play like Sweater Weather. Why am I asking you? It's not like you can answer. Okay, I need help. I'm leaving. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so we're almost finished with this first drawing. This is the finished result. I really hope you like it, Megan. And let's just do the second one now. Alright, so for the second profile picture, I'm going to be drawing Kay's Corner. Go check her videos, actually really talented. Just so you know, this is for you, Kay. I do watch all your videos, but could you get comments off? Like, I can't comment, but just know I literally watch all your videos. Anyways. Oh my god, I'm just adding this in real quick. I forgot to say. I know like your actual profile picture, like your character is like holding a phone. I didn't draw that because I hate drawing hands, and I just wanted a break. Alright, I'm sorry. I just really wanted a break. I don't like how like the bubblegum looks. It kind of looks weird, but you know. I also hope that I'm using the right pronouns for everyone in this video and my last video. I got really worried because I posted the video and then I thought, wait a minute, have I got this person's pronouns wrong? I mean, okay, I try not to, but like sometimes people just don't post videos like specifying what pronouns they use, and I'm really sorry if I like use wrong pronouns. You know, I'm getting too stressed about this. I need to just like stop, but I just feel really bad about it. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so the next one I'm doing is autumn art. I wasn't sure how I could do this one, but I just decided that instead of kind of copying it, I would just make it into a boy, like in my style. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's basically off of Autumn's OC. He's called Jason. I really recommend her channel. Her art style is like really unique, so yeah, go subscribe to her. Not gonna lie, I kind of have mixed feelings about this drawing. I don't know. You can judge for yourself. Okay everyone, so I'm just about to finish my final profile picture. I forgot to say last time, I'm really sorry if you didn't get picked. Don't be sad about it, because I'll probably do a part 3 anyway. If not, I'm definitely going to be making some fan arts for people, like my subscribers and stuff like that, my art friends. Anyway, so just about to finish this drawing. You can comment down below what one you like better out of the 3. Also comment if you want me to draw one of your arts. Here's the finished result. Thanks so much for watching to the end, that means a lot to me. Yeah, and I'll see you in a week.